change my shirt.
You were gonna change my shirt. Okay, so what shirt would you like out of these?
I would like that guitar shirt.
This one?
No, not that one.
This one?
I want that one.
This one?
Yeah.
I don't know. Let's see. I'm surprised he doesn't want this jersey, green one, because it's green. Like this.
I want it black with the guitar.
Let's see this one. Pikachu. Let's see this Pikachu thing real quick. Oh my.
Whoa.
You want this or no?
I want Sonic to go.
You want Sonic?
Yeah.
Let's see. That? Oh no. Okay, let's see. Let's see. Which?
I want blue.
You want blonde hair? Okay, so he got blonde hair. How about we go and see some pants that we could get? No, they can pants you.
Oh, I want a dog too. I want a dog too.
Okay, wait. You're going too slow. I mean, you're going too fast. He's not going too slow. Wait, guys.
Hey,
Which ones do you like?
I like red. I like
This one?
Yeah.
Okay, he's getting chainsaw pants. You want this one too? Wait, let's see, cause there's more. Let's edit Let's edit his avatar. Tell me if you like it, okay?
Hey, we can't see.
Do you like it?
Yeah.
Okay, so he likes that. Let's see something.
What? That girl has one hand swimming thingy?
No. Let's see. That girl has one hand thingy. Let's go to body. Faces. Okay, sorry guys, we're back. Let's see. Which one do you like? Out of these.
I like the creepy face.
This one?
Yeah.
Oh no.
Like that creepy face.
Okay, how about we also get
Another face.
yeah, this one.
I want the star one.
Let's get the same one.
I want the star one.
Let's go to edit out. Let's see how the one he wanted first. This one?
Yeah, that one.
This one?
Yeah, that creepy face.
Oh! Wait, get in the camera. Let's see.
Is he so?
Or do you want this one?
Oh, I want that one.
Oh my gosh. Look at pizza. Do you want these stylish? It's gonna say no, I already know that.
Glasses?
You don't want them?
Yeah, I do.
Or let's see if there's other glasses that he might like.
I would like green glass.
Look at that great face. Let's see, we gotta go to gear, I think that's what it's
That green face is scary, right, Heather?
Guys, we're not gonna really get anything right now because we're not looking for anything. That's why we're
We're trying to get green glasses.
yeah. So let's see, we're gonna come over to the roof.
I like that one.
Wait. Oh no. All of these are How about we friend you?
Yeah.
We friend Belinda too.
And I want to buy two.
So guys, if you want to know his username, it is Gecko.
Superhero.
The superhero Novi.
Gecko the superhero. No, we guys.
Here's me. Yeah, right there.
That's Yanzi.
I'll be right back, guys, once I've answered all of these questions because I didn't know what.
And C's coming.
Okay, guys, so we're gonna do my sister names. Guys, make sure to subscribe to us because we did do some Roblox videos. So we're adding the friends. Okay,
and that's me, guys.
Yeah. So guys, this is like this whole video is
That is me.
This whole video is kind of just us editing his avatar. So once
And that's me, guys.
the next part you guys will see us in will be me friending him back. Okay guys, so I'm gonna friend him back. So I have to go to my friends and accept. Yes, I accepted him. So Noe, you are now my friend. I cannot find you. But we're friends. So if I go to friends, you guys will see who we're
I have that.
Yep, Gecko the superhero is right there. So
like
next thing you guys will see me doing is doing all my sisters again. Goodbye, Trevino sisters. And also, guys, I just wanted to let you guys know, alarmed. Yeah, we are gonna be doing goodbye or like hi, Trevino sisters and brothers. So if you guys are a boy and you guys watch us, there you guys go. We don't want you to feel lonely. Thank you guys for watching. Noe, what should they do to your account?
We should do playing.
Yeah, so if you guys want us to see us playing it, and for the last time we'll show you guys his profile. Thank you guys for watching, and if you guys want to see more videos, just comment down below, which they should be. And bye.
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 Bye, brothers and